Hey guys, it's Purav from PDTechHD. Do you find clicking noise on mice annoying? Well, Logitech have introduced the M220 Silent Plus mouse in an effort to combat this, but how well does it work? Let's get started with the review. Right off the bat, I have to commend Logitech on the packaging. There are two grooves on the top of the backside for your finger to tear open the packaging and get to the mouse. This means no scissors required. Awesome. Taking the mouse out, the first thing you notice is the size. It's quite small, so this can appeal to you if you have small hands, and also means it will fit into a bag or even a pocket. For me, however, the mouse was a lot smaller compared to what I was used to, which is the Logitech M705 mouse. I have the red and black variant here. MKBHD edition mouse, anyone? But yeah, it's a nice contrast. You can also get it in black and blue finishes. The mouse requires one AA battery, and in the week or so I've been using it, I haven't had to chain the battery. Logitech promises an 18-month battery life, which is impressive. There is a nano receiver, and when I plugged this in, it detected my mouse automatically. Simple plug and play, gotta love it. The receiver also tucks into the mouse, so you don't lose it. I really like mice that have this design. Sticking with design, the mouse has an ambidextrous one, and basically what that means is it's fine for left-handed and right-handed people, which is a great thing. It's a simple mouse. There are no extra customizable buttons or anything. You have left click, right click, and then the scroller. You can also click the scroller to scroll up, down, left, or right, depending on how you move the mouse. The scroller worked well. I did find a little more resistance scrolling up than down, but maybe that's just my unit. Very rarely I would miss clicks, but again that could be because my hand is much larger than the mouse, and it would probably work better for smaller-handed people. So how about them clicks? Well, Logitech is the first mouse company in the world to receive a Quiet Mark certification, and yes, that's a real thing. Again, it's hard to judge sound on camera, but here's a comparison of my M705 clicking and the M220 Silent Plus clicking. So starting with the M705, and now onto the M220. Hopefully you can tell a difference. I definitely can, and even my mom noticed the reduction in noise when using my mouse. Logitech quotes the Silent Plus having 90% reduction in noise compared to standard mice. The M220 Silent Plus will be available in October for £19.99 in the UK, and I'll have an Amazon link in the description if you wish to pick one up. I would say for the price it's worth it. It does the job in terms of being a simple and quiet mouse. I just missed the back forward buttons and hyperscroll features from my M705, but I guess you can't expect those in this price range. For people that find this mouse too small like I did, there is also the M330 Silent Plus from Logitech, which serves the same functionality but is larger and is geared towards right-handed users. That's been my review of the M220 Silent Plus. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you found it informative. If you did, click that like button and leave a comment saying whether you'd consider picking one up or not. Subscribe for more tech videos, and I'll see you guys next time.